Hi George, welcome back to our English classes. Sadly, we are back in virtual classes, but I'm very glad to know you in person, and I was happy to be your teacher, talk about, speak, and practice our English and know you better. So today it's Tuesday, March 16th, 2021, and I'm your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. So what we're going to do first is that we're going to practice numbers. So we have a little exercise here. You're going to tell me what number is the one that is there. Let's start with the first one. What number is the first one? The 6 and the 0. Do you know? Is it 6? Is it 16? Yeah, you're right. It's 60. 60. Remember? Oh, let me put pen. 60. Okay, yeah, you were right. The next one. The 4 and the 5. What number does it make? Does it make 4, 5? No. 14, no. 14, no. So it's 45. Yeah, that's right. 45. 4. No, sorry. You put it wrong. 45. Yeah, 45. I think it's like that. Sorry if I make a mistake. I'm not perfect. 45. The next one. The 9 and 2. 9 and 2. Is it 29? No, 29 is not 9 and 2. 19? No. Is 92. You were right, 92. The next one, let's do it. 8 and a 4. 8, 4. 18, 4? No. 84. Yeah, you were right. Yes. The next one. 1 and 1. Is it 1 team? No, that's not right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 1, 10, 12? No, it's not 12. It's 11. Yeah, right. 7 and a 3. 73. Yes. 5 and a 6. 56. Yes. 2 and a 9. 92. No. Yeah. It's 29. You were right. 29. 9. Sorry. Well, today we're going to know a little about the vocabulary about vacations. Vacations, when you go out of the city and you don't have school, you don't have worries, you have all the afternoon free, all day free, you sleep late and all that stuff. But sometimes we go out for vacations. So for vacations we can travel. I mean, we traveling by means that we go to that place in that vehicle. We have the bike, the bus, the horse, the jeep, the motorbike, the hot air balloon, the sailboat, the plane, the motorhome, and the car. As you can see, those are the vehicles that we can use to go to trip and stuff like that. I don't know which ones have you used to go for vacations, but I only have been in the car, plane, and bus to go to another place. So let's see. Places to go. Where we can go to different places. It can be a city, it can be a camp, a village, the beach, the seaside, the mountains, the forest, or a countryside. These are usually the places that we go for vacations. I have been in the mountains. No, I have been in a camp, in the city, in the beach. I one time in the forest. I actually don't remember, but those are the parts that my family and I used to go. So those are the places. Think about which ones have you visited. Which have you been in a camp? Have you been in a village or something like that? And we also have the accommodations. Accommodations is where we stay when we arrive to that place. It can be a cabin, it can be a tent, for example, when you go to camp. It can be in an hotel, then a cruise ship, a caravan, or a pension. A pension is like an hotel, but it's the difference is that you interact with all the people there. You have your room, but there's your you have your kitchen, you have one bedroom or two bathrooms that everybody in the pension use, and stuff like that. And these are the activities that you can do when you go out vacation. First you plan, then you pack, and then you have all that to do. You can even hiking, you can canoeing, that bungee jumping, when you fall down and whoosh, you go back, the diving, swimming, camping, floating, snorkeling, where you put your snorkels, your tube to breathe and go in the sea. You have the sunbathing, taking photos, the grilling to make your famous carnitas asadas, the surfing, the windsurfing, and also the climbing. Those are the activities. Have you ever done one of these? I have canoeing. I have done canoeing. And bungee jumping, I wish I have. It sounds cool to do it, but the other ones are very common. I don't know how to surf, and I have swim and snorkeling. I don't remember. Floating, yes. Diving, taking photos, sunbathing. I'm not to that for. I don't like to do that. And the rest, I don't know. Have you ever done something like that? And that's all for today. Yeah. So as you know, we're back and we're going to start with all the class. So tomorrow we're going to see a little more about this. This is only for you to know what the words means, to practice your vocabulary. Repeat what I say, that swimming, camping, hot air balloon. Those are words for you that are new. So thank you for watching the video, George. See you tomorrow and have a nice day.